I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check system information for your Windows build and DirectX version, and note your GPU model. Once done, use Device Manager or your GPU maker's installer to update drivers. This often fixes DirectX initialization failures. Make sure Windows Update has applied the latest patches, then reboot. You're not installing everything blindly. Observe error codes and whether the game or app reports specific missing files. This focused start removes common conflicts and prepares your PC for targeted DirectX fixes. Next, you address missing libraries and corruption. First, run the DirectX end-user runtime installer to add legacy DLLs that many games require. It won't downgrade your system. Then repair Visual C++ redistributables, open apps and features, or rerun the installers for x86 and x64. After that, run System File Checker with sfc/scano, and if needed, use DISM to restore the component store. These steps repair both missing DirectX components and underlying Windows file issues that cause errors to reappear. To finish, verify or reinstall the affected app. Use the launcher's File Integrity tool or a clean reinstall to ensure no corrupted game DLLs remain. Reset any GPU overclocks and confirm power and TDR settings. If you changed registry timeout, revert to default values. If the problem persists, test with another GPU or create a new Windows user to isolate profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: capture the exact DirectX error code and search logs. That code points you to the specific missing module or permission issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.